Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane, and in this video we are going to cover and do a wrap up of the dividends and options we received in October, a little over a week into November already. So let's wrap up October. We haven't covered this yet. We'll put a pin in it. But before we get into that video, I'd like to take a moment to take the time to thank everyone who's taken the time to watch, comment, and like the videos, and a special thanks to those who subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it. For those of you who may be stopping by for the first time, on this channel we focus on dividend growth investing. It's not rocket science. In my opinion, the best way to do anything, keep it as simple as possible. So it really boils down to consistently investing, buying dividend growth stocks and growing companies with a positive cash flow that covers the dividends, and companies with a high return on their invested capital. I utilize both a dollar cost average approach, consistently investing into the stocks within the portfolio on a weekly basis. I also do larger purchases if I have extra funds from a side job or a bonus something along those lines. I cover all my investments into the portfolio. It is free to see what I'm doing on this channel. But if you would like to help me out, if you could take a moment to hit that thumbs up button down below, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Join us on this journey to financial freedom. Join the Vested Interest community. Hit that subscribe button. Click the notification bell down below so you're notified whenever we put out any new videos. Along with this monthly wrap up for dividends and options, I do a stock pick of the day series Monday through Thursday whenever the market's open. I also do a monthly video where I look at the stocks I am interested in buying in the upcoming month. So if you haven't looked at the two stocks I'm focused on in November video, go ahead and check that out. And I also do other videos from time to time, some videos that subscribers and viewers have suggested. So again, drop some comments down below. If you have a company you'd like me to cover in the Stock Pick of the Day series, go ahead and drop it down there. You'll also find there is an earn button now. One of the features now on the channel, we have been able to monetize the channel because we have enough subscribers. So again, kudos to all of the subscribers out there. You guys are awesome. The channel continues to grow because of people like you, and as well as watch time. So obviously you guys out there are enjoying the channel. Your watch time is up, but I will say a lot of you are not subscribed. So again, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, hit that notification bell. Let's get back to the video. All right, and on to the dividends received, and they started rolling in right there. October 1st, we received dividends from VTI. Ticker VTI is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. They paid us $33.20, and this is an off month for this, really. This should have paid out the end of September there, so I don't anticipate this paying out every month in October, but it did this time, so we'll cover it. HP Inc., ticker HPQ, out of the information technology sector on October 2nd, paid us $66.16. Then we'll jump down to October 15th. Realty Income, ticker O, the monthly paying REIT here, paid us $68.13. This one has really pulled back. I probably will look to add to this one, nibble on this one as long as it stays below my cost basis. Then we received dividends from Nutrien, ticker NTR, out of the material sector, paid us $88.99. Over to October 23rd, a couple companies paid us out here. Cisco Systems, ticker CSCO, out of the information technology sector, paid us $90.10. And Comcast Corporation here, ticker CMCSA, out of the communications sector, paid us $66.63. And last for the month, but certainly not least, Cisco here. This is out of the consumer staples sector, ticker SYY, paid us $56.12. For the month of October, this is definitely our lowest quarter for dividends here. The dividends that pay out on this monthly timeline, every 3 months here, culminating in October here at the end of the year, this is our lowest. So you'll see that here in a little bit. But total $469.33 for the month of October in dividends. Quick run through the update here for the total received so far. There's that $469.33 in October. You can kind of pause this and go through the rest of the year if you want a quick update there. But at current total sits at $8,587.04. Now over to the options we received for the month of October, $135.90. And really, we only got a couple options calls to hit this month. Was not a great month. A lot of volatility. A lot of times whenever we were going up with options, the market was going down. And whenever we were kind of pulling back a little bit, the market would shoot up. So we overshot, I think, quite a these. And I'm trying to be conservative on these. I don't want the positions to be called away. I just want to collect that options premium, keep the positions, collect those dividends as a way to kind of supercharge the portfolio, add a little bit extra income. But we did receive $135.90. Both of them were covered calls on BABA. We had one on October 7th. $130 strike price, obviously expired worthless, but we did receive $103.45 on that one. And the other one was a $117 covered call. BABA really shot up in the beginning of the month, so you can see the difference there, 130 down to 117. And on that one, we only received $32.45, and that was on the 14th. So right there at the beginning of the month, we had a pretty good 2 options hit, and then the rest of the month was pretty quiet. Total options here, looking back at the total year, again, you can pause this and go through them if you'd like, but the current total sits at $2,069.01. So October total cash flows with the dividends plus the options there, $605.23. Total dividends to date, including October, $8,587.04. Total options, $2,069.01. We saw those on the previous slides. Total cash flow to date, options and premiums, received $10,656.05. Looks like we probably will shoot over $12,000 here in the next month, or definitely by the end of December there. I'm hoping to get to around 13 to 14,000 total cash flow out of the portfolio this year. We'll see if we hit that. Be nice to get over 14,000, but I'll take anything over 12 really. And here is the monthly dividend growth year over year, right here, that $469.33. Last year, we received $352.35 in the same quarter, same month there, October. And that represents a 32.2% increase from last year's dividends. And you can see here, the dividends continue that nice stair step up growth every quarter pretty much. Save a few where we had some sales of, right, this month, for example, here, I know it went down from here in 2022 to 2023. I remember we had some sales back here, I believe is what that represents. So you might see a couple, 1 or 2. Are there any others? I believe that might be the only one. But we're going to be close here whenever we head into January, beating this one, and same thing here in April. We'll see how it shakes out. But 33.2% increase year over year. I can take that. I can live with that. That looks good to me. And I like to see the continual stair step up from year to year, quarter to quarter. Well, that is really it for this one. Wanted to wrap up October so we could get the final tally there. And as always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button down below. Join us on this journey to financial freedom. Join the vested interest community. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. How is your portfolio doing? What does your dividend growth year over year look like? What is your dividend payout currently? You could even tell me your annual dividend payout. What are you looking like? It looks like right now I'm a little over 12,000 in the overall portfolio. Tune back in tomorrow, Sunday morning. I'll do that portfolio update. We'll see where the total tally is. We'll see you in that one. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I am always interested to read your questions, opinions, or suggestions for future topics. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next one. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I am only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can't lose money. You should never invest any amount you're not comfortable with. Always do your own research. Invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.